Gospel Wednesday. I'll just show you that the silent mic has some noise when it's on, so turn this on and listen to it. It makes that noise when it's on, but it doesn't when it's off though. So just wait for it to turn off. Now it's turned off. So that's what it does. It makes that noise. So that is what it is. So there we go. Right, I think that's all about it. So watch you guys. So please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and peace.